Photo collages are a great way to show lots of memories at one time. And now you can create collages you'll love with fewer clicks. Start by picking your photos, then choose to create a collage. You'll get a great one automatically. Then, if you like, you can choose from a variety of stylish new layouts designed to look terrific on social media. Once you're happy with your layout, you can change the background of the entire collage or add frames to individual photos. When you're ready to share, simply post your collage to your favorite social media sites or print it on your home printer. Add a frame and give it as a gift. With redesigned collages and Photoshop elements, it's faster and easier than ever to showcase your memories.